Welcome to all. This is information class or information regarding the two courses. One, design of RCC structures. Two, design of steel structures. I have put a star mark here and double star here. Course 1, single star. Course 2, double star. Now, in the beginning only I will tell. Those who want to join, go through entire details. I am going to tell today. Because so many times I find difficult. People make enquiries, ask this one, ask that one. It is not possible to tell everything by messages or also by what? By call. Brochure will be very lengthy then. So I decided everything will be explained here. Okay. Now, first of all, before I start this one, make a note. Earlier announced course and presently running course. In the month of August, I announced that from September 15th, I am going to start professional training for structural design of RCC structures and steel structures using STAD Pro with structural design principles of RCC structures and steel structures. That you can see in the, if you go to playlist, you can see this one. This course is running now. This class started on course started on 15 September 2025. That is around 3 weeks. This is the third week over now. That actually today is the last day of the week, Friday, weekdays only classes. Class timing is 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. As usual, live online class. It will be live online classes. Then I will tell one by one detail. What is this one? See here. In this course, I told 6 parts are there. 1. Basic structural knowledge required for structural design. I will tell what is this one. What actually is structural design? Then load transfer from member to member, very important concept. Then equilibrium, action and reaction. Then the most powerful term, section forces, axial force, shear force, bending moment and twisting or torsional moment, which is resisted by cross section. Repeatedly I used to tell, loads are transferred, not resisted. Section forces are to be resisted. So, structural design means design of cross section to resist sectional forces. And then, how to get the axial force, how to get the shear force, how to get the bending moment and twisting moment. For different cases of loading, etc., that all will be basic concept. Around, I decided 20 classes are required. Each class is 1.5 hours. 25-30 hours are required. Say around nearly 30 hours. Already today is 18th class number 18. I need another 2-3 classes more. That's all. This basic structural knowledge required for structural design will be over. Okay, then design principles of RCC structures. This is what I wrote in that brochure, in that uploaded class. I put single star here. 3 here. See, I put dividing line here. Okay. Then 3, little down 3. Okay, you can make out 3. Design principles of steel structures. Looks like simple one line. It is not one line. I will tell you that one. Then 4th one. Once these two are over, attaining complete control in STAD Pro. This thing. Now, next, design of RCC structural components using STAD Pro with the building project. And also, design of components of steel structures using STAD Pro with the building project where earthquake effect will be considered. And remember, all these classes, even including this class also, recording will be available. After the class, around half an hour, you get the recording. It will be sent for the participants or those who join the batch. Recording will be active for 1 year, minimum 1 year. If requirement is there, I may slightly extend, but I guarantee 1 year available. See, 1 year is sufficient for going through, making all the required notes, thoroughly understanding. 1 year is sufficient. So, this is regarding that course. If you see that uploaded class there, you can see in the playlist, design principle of RCC structures, design principle of steel structures means not principle. It is complete design of RCC structure, complete design of steel structures, what people call manual design. Manual actually means not man or woman like that. That is designed by basic principle without software. That is, people call a manual design. That is the most popular word. That is to gain knowledge. I told repeatedly earlier, without having knowledge of structural design, if you do only software, it is like, I used to tell medical store people giving medicine. No, doctor should give medicine. This is where you become doctors. This is where you start learning software. So if you know these two thoroughly, then in software you will get complete control. Okay. And this one are all explained there. Today's class I will not explain. You can go back there and see it. Uploaded in the month of August. First week of August. You see there. See, the title will be playlist. Professional training classes or classes for practical design. In the playlist you can see one E tab is there, then this is there. Okay. Now I will tell what is this one now. At that time I told there are 6 parts are there. Those who want can opt for selected parts. I told at that time. Suppose someone, if they does not want steel, okay, want only RCC, or RCC they already know. They, some people will think they know it, okay. Steel they want to learn. That way. That way, if they want to select or opt for only one part or some only a part of the course, I told at that time option is there. I got so many inquiries, see, regarding, sir, options, please give details. Then I decided, no, it is very difficult to give details of the option by call or messaging. So I told so many inquiries came for me. They told, sir, we want only steel or we want only RCC, steel with the software STAD Pro, RCC with software STAD Pro, or we want understand thoroughly these two, RCC design and steel design. Software we already know. Some people will tell, okay, maybe they are knowing. Then I told them, you wait for some time, I will announce it. Now I am announcing. Now, many inquiries came. Now, for all of them, I told, wait for some time, I will announce it. Now come to here. Complete details of the courses. 1. Design of RCC structures. 2. Design of steel structures. This one I wrote here is, see, this one. Here simply written, but even in that video or class, I told everything. I wrote all this there also. Still, I'll tell once again. And the second one is, see, part 2 and 3. This is completely structural design, RCC design. This is steel design. Both are manual or basic knowledge. That is to get complete control on design of RCC and design of steel. See here. So first one, design of RCC structures. Remember, no software here, and steel structures, no software. Everything practical oriented design. It is not academic design. See, RCC design, what I will cover. Design, see, both, and later I will tell. Design principles. RCC, stress strain variation, stress parameter, what is ultimate MR, then how the compression will come in RCC, how tension will come, single A in post, WA in post, difference, and then so many concepts, under reinforced, over reinforced, balance section, singly, doubly, and then slabs all will come later, deflection control, that all will come. This design principle. Then that is everything I will tell here, like a systematic RCC course. Design of beams. See, it looks like simple here, design of beams. No, very systematic design of beams. See, practically required. Design of slabs. One-way slab. See, beams means singly reinforced, doubly reinforced, design for bending, design for shear. Later I will tell design for torsion also. So next, design of slabs. One-way slabs, two-way slab, different type of one-way slab, different two-way slabs, all designs. Design of columns. Design of column is for axial load with biaxial bending, because practically every column will have axial load PU and biaxial bending moment. Then design of isolated footing. See, subjected to first for only axial load, then axial load with biaxial bending. Practically very important, because practically every footing there will be P and 2 MUs will be there. Then design principle of combined footing and raft footing. Combined footing, raft footing, manual design becomes very lengthy. See, when you go to software, it will be done within 10 minutes. So, design principles, everything I will tell. How this is designed, how to find shear force, how to find bending moment, how to arrange the plan area, how to place the column, what offset you have to give, that all I will tell you. But lengthy design will not be there, sufficient. Then, design of staircase, dogleg staircase and open well staircase. Even one more case, tread riser type without waist slab. Design of beams with torsion. Practically, so many beams in practical case, there will be twisting moment torsion. So, design for shear force, bending moment and torsion. These all will be covered in RCC. Everything like a basic subject thoroughly. Time I will not tell. This is one part. So those who want to learn RCC design perfectly, see, earlier all, I used to make a course only for this one and course only for this one. Already I conducted 2-3 batches here, 2-3 courses. Here also 2 courses already conducted. But now this is part, but independent part. This is over. Then come to design of steel structures. See, looks smaller, bigger, but this is actually bigger. I need little more time for steel than RCC. Okay. What all I am covering? Everything like a basic subject. Design principle of steel, that all I will tell later. Then design of bolted and welded connections. Looks very simple. Bolted and welded connection for axial force transfer, shear transfer, then bolt and weld group subjected to force with bending. So everything will be there. That is called sometimes eccentric connections. And also later beam to beam connection, beam to column connection, column joining. So many connections are there. Moment resisting connections are there. Okay. Design of columns. Very powerful in steel structures. Later start pro will be there. Design of columns, short column, long column, intermediate columns are there. How the column strength is affected by slenderness ratio. This is design of column. Then design of column base. That is footing for the column. Sometimes anchor bolts are not required. Sometimes anchor bolts are required when lifting will come. That all will come in design of column base. Design of beams. Very important part. Simple beam and built up beams. Design of roof truss. This earlier batch was not done. Even roof truss also will be done. Later in the project there, industrial shed will be taken. where also roof truss will come. Design of roof trusses. Briefly I told, or make a note, systematic study or course for RCC design part, systematic course for steel design part, both independent. Okay, just a minute. Just I want to break the recording so that I can join. Advantage is if I join by video merger, I can upload to HD quality. That's all. Okay, now there are multiple options are there for you. See, I will tell you multiple option. Option number one, design of RCC structures. See correctly what I am telling. Design of RCC structures. That means I'll put a mark here. Some color required. Not getting that color. I don't know what happened to that color. Okay, got it. Design of only RCC structure. That is the star. See here. Star here. This course. Design of only RCC. So many people were asking me earlier, sir, when RCC class starts? Okay, this is the class. Then design of RCC structure. This structure with STAD Pro only for RCC. See, design of RCC structural component using STAD Pro. This one. This star. See, star with this one, including building project. Of course, for this one, if you join, this also will be there. See, if you go to software, this also will be there. It has to be there. Okay, then 3. Design of only steel structure. See, only some people want to study only steel structures. Okay, see, double star. This one, see, double star 2. Here, one next, design of steel structures plus STAD Pro for steel only means double star, see, then plus this one and this is there. These two are, see, this is there, this is not there. Design of RCC structure plus design of steel structures means no software. Some people they will tell software I know. Okay, I want to know basic concept of RCC structure design. Everything I want to learn. Steel I want to learn. This is star plus, see, the star plus double star. Oh, this and this. Now, concluding part. Anything else? No, nothing else to tell. These all different options are there. Important. Both the courses will be started immediately. See, that's why I told. Listen to all I am going to tell here. Don't ask me later when you are starting class, when shall I register. Everything listen now. I will tell, go back to class once again. Everything go through. See, I am telling you regarding the commencement of the class. Both courses will be started immediately within a week. What I will plan now is, I will tell you now. See, one more thing forgotten. If you opt for design of RCC structure plus design of steel structures, or these two together, or design of this way for 2, 3, 4, see, for 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 4 if you take, anyone if you take, then this basic concept class, that is today will be class number 18. Another 2 or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday maybe. I will close that one. That recording will be given. So that benefit for you. But not for single. If you take only design of RCC structures, this you will not get. Actually, this is very, very important. Or if you take only design of, design of only steel structures. See, if you take only this one, if you consider, or if you are going for only this one, this will not be there. I should be careful. I cannot give each and everything for everybody. So, but if you go to any combination, then along with what I told here, this also you will get recording. Someone will tell, no sir, I want everything this way. Okay, then why ask me? Then join that course. Join that course. Whatever recording, whatever tasks are over up to today, class number 18, the moment you join, register, recording will be sent immediately to you. You will be added to the main group. See, these all will be subgroups now. Subgroup, so that I have to send whichever recordings are required. You join the main group and start receiving like everybody else. For your information, so far, everybody who joined, they took everything. See, at present, there is not a single person who wants that partially, but enquiries are there. Many enquiries are there. So many people ask me, sir, I want part. Tell me, okay. That's why I told, starting both courses will be started immediately, within a week. So those who want to join, you have to join immediately. Do not delay. Earliest you have to contact me and join. Now I will tell admission details. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Before that one, how simultaneously, see, this is already over. Now I am starting this one and this one simultaneously. 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. I will arrange the class so that both are started. Maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I may go for RCC. Tuesday and Thursday, I will go for steel. Or, okay, I will go for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I will go for steel. Tuesday and Thursday, I will go for RCC. 1 week. Next week, I will interchange. If 1 week, RCC gets 3 classes, steel gets 2 classes. Next week, see, 1 week, if 1 week, confusion for me. Okay. See, structural confusion is not there. What I told confusion. If 1 week, RCC gets 3 classes, RCC, okay. Steel gets 2 classes. Next week, steel will be 3 classes, RCC 2 classes. Or maybe for some reason I may slightly interchange, but both will simultaneously run till both are over. When both of these are over, then we are going to software side. See, for software part, I am already preparing them, giving models which beam you have to analyze in the class. What all we analyzed in the class here, that same model we will do in the software. This I did for ETABS, result came same. Here also result will come same. Okay, this also over. So those who want to join should not delay. You should join immediately, and so that, because immediately coming week only. I don't know. Maybe Thursday will start or Friday. I do not know. Or Wednesday. If Monday by Tuesday this is over, next day only I am starting. Next, if Monday by Tuesday this class is over, that is 18 over, 19, 20. Immediately I will start this one of them. Now, regarding admissions, first of all, I will ensure or see that financial problem will not come in the way of study. Therefore, for all these 2 courses, I will put very reasonable and affordable fee. See, I don't want to tell anything in the fee in the class. I don't talk about money matter here. Money matter means writing how much is the fee. I don't write. Very, very affordable or economical, reasonable fee will be there. And for those who go to combinations also, see, some will tell, I want to come for this second combination. What is the fees there? No problem. Those who want to join either for this one or for this one or this with STAD Pro RCC, or either this one or this one, or only these two basic design, or RCC with and then with the software STAD Pro, or steel with software STAD Pro and project. What you have to do is you have to contact me or call me. You can even call or contact me by WhatsApp. 91 is India, 8088603637. This number, if you want clarification, you can call also, but preferably use send a message. If anything is important, you call. When you call, if I am in the class, as soon as my class is over, I will see missed call and call you back. No problem. But answer immediately. I will not call repeatedly. Okay. Then this over now. Now what you do is use when you call, you will tell what you want. Or if you want to send message, you message me registration details or details of the fees. Okay. If you are particular about this one, you can ask only for that one. Or I will give fees details for all these 5 combinations. Not printed form. Maybe handwriting will do. Why should I go for printing? Neatly, I will prepare. Within 1 or 2 days, not 1 or 2 days. Tomorrow only, by today evening only, I will prepare it and have ready. If you ask, I will send for you. Then I will give a message for you. Now, no more enquiries. Which one you want, register by, I have to use the word, pay the fees and register. Okay. This also completed. So just you either you call me and ask me for details, or message me details of registration or fee details for I will give for all the courses, all the combinations. I will give it. Now, those who already attended my courses earlier, or RCC or steel, see, E-tab is separate, STAD Pro is first time I am doing it here. STAD Pro I am doing first time here, means long back continuously, 6 years I have done STAD Pro, not 6 years, 2007 to 2014-15, that is 8-9 years, it was only STAD Pro. Then I came to E-tabs. So anybody who already attended my design of RCC structures or steel structures earlier, I know it because I know the names. They will get yet little benefit for them. For these two, if they are joining, I will give very reduced fee or reduced offer. So that because they already came earlier, maybe they are not regular, or they want to repeat once again for any reason, either not regular or did not study properly, then missed a lot of classes, then recording vanished. Why? After 1 year recording will vanish. It can't wait forever. So suppose you want to learn, at least now wake up and start learning. You contact me, I will let you know. You mention very clearly that I was your student for design of RCC or design of steel, or for both, and what you want now, you let me know. I will tell you the fee structure. Very very economical, and what, reasonably reduced. That is special offer because they already came once. Others also, for others also, it will be very affordable and also reasonable. Oh, nothing more to tell. See, I am not a good orator or good in giving speeches. I am good in only taking classes. You can make out the fluency of my words or sentences in a speech will be different from fluency in a class. You see YouTube class. So many classes I uploaded there. There you can see it. Okay. Furthermore, nothing to tell. I will conclude. So those who want, go through everything and decide and let me know. Okay. Thank you. Those who join, we will meet in the class.